Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on a gaming laptop. First, always connect your laptop to its power adapter. This ensures your system runs at full capacity, preventing performance drops. Next, place your laptop on a hard, flat surface to allow proper airflow and prevent overheating. Finally, update your graphics drivers regularly. New drivers often bring significant performance improvements and bug fixes for games. Now, let's optimize your settings. Start by adjusting in-game graphics. Find a balance between visual quality and frame rate that suits your preference. Close any applications running in the background that aren't essential, like web browsers or streaming services, to free up valuable system resources. Also, confirm your laptop is using its dedicated graphics card for games, not the integrated one, for maximum power. Maintaining your laptop is key for longevity and consistent performance. Regularly monitor your laptop's temperature, especially during long gaming sessions, to prevent thermal throttling. Keeping the internal components, like fans and vents, free from dust buildup is crucial for efficient cooling. For even better temperature management, especially with demanding titles, an external cooling pad can be a great investment. To truly enhance your gaming experience, consider some upgrades. Quality gaming peripherals, like a responsive mouse and a mechanical keyboard, can significantly improve your control and reaction times. A high refresh rate monitor, such as 144 Hz or more, provides incredibly smooth visuals, making fast-paced games feel much more fluid. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.